All right, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil maintenance light. For a 2007 Toyota Tacoma, in order to turn off the maintenance light, you want to make sure that your odometer is reading odometer. You don't want it reading trip A or trip B. It'll only work if it's on odometer. So what you have to do is turn the engine off, press and hold this button, and turn the car on. When you turn the car to the on position, wait for the dashes to disappear and to flash zeros. Now your maintenance light should be off.